welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely fine and welcome back to another vlog. In this vlog I am going to share a recipe which I'm actually going to do now. It's the first time I'm trying it. I saw this on Facebook when I was randomly scrolling through food videos and I pretty much loved it, and it's very easy also. So yeah, I am planning to try it right now and I'm gonna show you guys how. So this particular food I'm gonna try today is a sweet. So it's called Bengali Mishti Pranhara or Kancha Gola. Yeah, whatever. Without any further ado, let's begin the video. First we're going to use milk. So we need 1 liter. Basically we need 2 liters, but I'm going to use 1 liter. So this is 1 liter of milk. I am going to get it to some boil stage and mix some vinegar and water. So this is 2 tablespoons of vinegar and 2 tablespoons of water. So I'm gonna get it to boiling stage. So it is now boiling. I'm going to add vinegar and water mix to this. It has started breaking. First we're going to drain this. Now that you see it's all broken, now we're going to drain this. I'm going to take a cloth and drain this all. Now we're going to clean it with water and drain all that water. And I'm going to basically halve this whole portion like so. Put it aside like this. To this we're going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Now we're going to on this stove in medium heat. Put a pan and put this dough on stove, and I'm going to fry it a little bit. I'm going to keep this for 4 minutes and add 4 tablespoons of condensed milk to it. I think that's enough. Now we're going to mix this whole mixture till the water evaporates. So I've made very little portion of it, but you can actually use 2 liters of milk and you'll get a good portion of it. But it's my first time I'm trying, so I'm making it very less. I think this is good enough. Now the water has evaporated. I'm going to take this mixture and mix it to this one here. I'm going to put this mixture into this. And dip them in milk powder. Two done, let's do the others. So we are done, guys. Now I'm gonna do the taste test. So I have already chopped it off for video purposes. Now let's try it. It actually is like koa language is kalakar. It actually is like kalakar and it's very very tasty, guys. It's not too much sweet, but yeah, I love it. Spongy, it's so good. Mama, taste cheppu. Signature. So that is it, guys. It's my first time, but it has turned out really well. I generally like milk products and I generally like rasmalai and all that, and yeah, it tasted like rasmalai but without a lot of sugar. And yeah, I pretty much love it. It has that smooth texture to it. It is so soft and it like melts in the mouth like that. And yeah, you should definitely try it out. I'm gonna put the recipe down in the description box also if you like to check out and try this out. So that is it. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe and all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, love, bye. And also, if you happen to try this one after watching my video, then please do let me know. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.